line. First, parallel lines. The lines which lie on the same there but cannot intersect. This is called parallel lines. And this is intersecting line. The line which intersect at the same point is called intersecting line. And perpendicular line. The line which intersect and make a 90-degree angle is called a perpendicular.
My name is Mukesh and today I am going to tell you about some basic shapes and curves. Let's start some basic shapes. We can start with point. A point is the first shape of the basic shapes. And now you have learned about point. Now we can come on the line. A line can be, as you can see, that there are two arrows in this line. So this indicates that this line can extend here also and extend here also. So the definition of the line is that a figure that can extend on the both sides is called line. Now we are coming on line segment. It is a figure that has a definite length, because as you can see that here is a point and here is a point, which indicates that this line cannot intersect here also and here also. So the definition of this line is that the line that cannot extend on the both of the sides is called line segment. Now there is confusion. Now just focus. Here is arrow and here is point. So it is clear that this line can be extended from here, but not can be extended from here. So you are clear with point, line segment, great. Okay. Now we have curves. Now you can see that here is a 0 O, you can say. So imagine like this line has been started from here and it makes this figure and from here. So I had written here closed curve. So what are closed curve? I wanted to tell you the definition of the closed curve. The closed curve is a curve whose starting and ending point are same. It started from here and ended from here. It means it is closed. Now here you can see that this line and this line and this line are intersecting. But this is open curve because the starting point is here and ending point is here. Open curve, closed curve. Explain now. It is simple closed curve. What is it? Simple closed curve. Now these simple closed curve are the curves. These are also closed. Imagine that this curve has started from this point, and it goes here, it goes here, it goes here, and comes from. So this ending and starting point is same. So it is closed curve. But if you see, so it is made up of 4 lines. Okay. So the definition of this curve is the curve that is made up of line segment. So it is called closed curve and it is also closed. The curve that is made up of line segment and it is closed. So it is called simple. The line it means that made up of line segment, closed curve. It means it is closed. Thank you.
Class, I am Ajitesh Singh and today I am going to tell you about the leaf and its part. So let's start. As you can see that there is a leaf and you can also see the line between in the leaf. So it is called midrib, and you can also see the lines on the side of the leaves. It is called veins. And the green part, this part, the whole part is called lamina, and this part is called petiole. The stem of the leaf is called petiole, and this part that connects the leaves through the plant is called stem. Now midrib is the vein. Midrib is also called main vein, and you can also call it side veins, and it is the stem of the leaves that connect the leaf to the plant, and the stems are also used to connect the leaves from the plant. Thank you.